United Kingdom Travel, Lifestyle, and People's Life. The United Kingdom, also known as the UK, is one of the most developed and historic countries in the world. It is located in Europe and consists of England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. The UK is famous for its modern cities, rich history, strong economy, and high standard of living. Lifestyle in the United Kingdom. Life in the United Kingdom is modern, organized, and fast-paced, especially in big cities like London, Manchester, Birmingham, and Liverpool. People follow strict time management, value discipline, and respect rules and laws. Most people work 9 to 5 jobs, and weekends are spent relaxing, shopping, traveling, or watching sports like football, soccer, and cricket. Public transport such as buses, trains, and underground metros is very common, and many people prefer walking or cycling. Food culture in the UK. British food is simple but popular worldwide. Some famous UK foods include fish and chips, full English breakfast, roast chicken and beef, shepherd's pie, tea and biscuits. The UK is also very multicultural, so foods from India, Pakistan, China, Turkey, and the Middle East are easily available. Indian and Pakistani curries are extremely popular in British cities. Animals and wildlife. The United Kingdom has a rich variety of animals and wildlife. Common animals include foxes, deer, rabbits, squirrels, birds like swans and pigeons. The UK has many zoos, wildlife parks, and national parks where animals are protected. Pet animals like dogs and cats are very common, and people treat animals with great care and love. Hospitals and healthcare system. The UK has one of the best healthcare systems in the world, called the NHS, National Health Service. Healthcare is mostly free for residents. Hospitals are clean and modern, well-equipped with advanced machines, staffed by trained doctors and nurses. Emergency services are fast, and people trust the healthcare system deeply. Buildings and architecture. The United Kingdom is famous for its historic and modern buildings. Some famous buildings include Big Ben, Buckingham Palace, London Bridge, Edinburgh Castle, Tower of London. Alongside historic buildings, the UK also has modern skyscrapers, shopping mall offices, and residential apartments. Old and new architecture exists beautifully together. People's life and culture. People in the UK are generally polite, calm, and respectful. They value privacy and personal space. Greeting with a smile and saying please and thank you is very common. The country is multicultural, with people from different religions, cultures, and nationalities living together peacefully. Education is highly valued, and literacy rates are very high. Conclusion. The United Kingdom is a perfect mix of history, modern life, strong healthcare, rich culture, and diverse food. It is a great country for travel, education, work, and living. From beautiful cities to peaceful countryside, the UK offers a high-quality life for its people and visitors.